Our trip begins at the Pyramid of Tirana, one of the city's major landmarks. From here the minibus heads northeast towards the mountains, where in minutes the city thins out, replaced by small villages and the first limestone hills that mark the edge of the valley. I wouldn't recommend driving your own car up here or renting a car. The best way is to get a minibus tour like this. As the road narrows, the landscape becomes dominated by pale grey limestone. This entire area is part of a larger geological belt that runs across central Albania. You'll notice terrace cuts on some of the slopes during this section of the drive. Those are active limestone quarries supplying stone for construction throughout the region. Before reaching the lake, the route passes through the canyon carved by the Tërkuzë River. This river is the main watercourse flowing into Bovilla Lake. Many tourists stop briefly here, since the spot gives a close look at the river's clear flow and the rocks that frame it. From the river it's a short drive to Bovilla Lake. The lake is really a reservoir. Completed in 1998, it stores about 80 million cubic meters of water. It's one of Tirana's main drinking water sources, serving hundreds of thousands of residents through a treatment plant downstream. The hike begins near the reservoir dam, while Gamti Mountain rises to about 1,267 meters. At its highest summit, visitors usually climb to a viewpoint on a lower ridge. The route is short but moderately steep, taking around 40 minutes. Near the top, a set of metal steps, usually counted between 70 and 80, helps hikers pass over the smooth limestone slabs that can be very slippy. The viewpoint opens directly over the reservoir and the cliffs surrounding it. From here you can see the length of the reservoir stretching through the canyon created by the Tërkuzë River. After the hike, tours usually stop at the small restaurant near the trailhead. The menu is straightforward Albanian food, grilled meats, fresh salad and warm bread. It's a comfortable way to recover before heading back down. The minibus then returns to Tirana, completing the 6-hour escape just outside the capital. I hope you enjoyed this short tour. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.